This was the dishwasher. I mean, at some point it was a dishwasher. Maybe 20 years ago. I'm not sure exactly when it stopped being a dishwasher. But I know that the reason why the door isn't shut all the way and has to be held up with tape is literally because someone decided to install a garbage disposal, which apparently is too fat and pushes the dishwasher out of its spot. So what we see is the dishwasher just being like this. So it's basically useless. It's been useless for at least 9 years. What's interesting is that we have a dishwasher, but we can't use the dishwasher. And we're 6 people. Imagine how many dishes that is every day. Imagine what that's like. So yeah, thanks Landlord for not ever fixing the dishwasher.